Two very different areas in Benidorm town on a Saturday. This is what we'll be checking on today. We are right next to the Hotel Pueblo in Benidorm town, and we will be checking on the Ibiza street. What's going on out here? And probably we will finish up at the Levante Beach, Mediterranean Avenue. We'll see how it goes. With these types of videos, you never know where you're gonna end up with as much as you plan or try to do so beforehand. Today is Saturday. The weather is very, very nice, and while all other parts of Spain are receiving very, very strong winds up till almost 200 kilometers per hour, authentic, bizarre windstorms, north parts of Spain. But here, for now, we just have a teeny tiniest bit of clouds. As you can see, people are wearing even flip-flops. That is bizarre. Flip-flops, t-shirts, shorts, and some summer clothes to enjoy on the sunshine. The sky is blue, and people are heading mostly towards sunny terraces and the beachfront to enjoy everything that this day has to offer. This is already last week of January. It is incredible how time just flies, and we will be very, very soon in a brand new summer season. And right now, it's just been winter. Incredible. Right here on the right side, we have the famous Hotel Pueblo. It's one of the budget-ish options for your holidays here in Benidorm. This is a hotel that is good for families. They had some nice entertainment during summertime by the swimming pool, a lot of music, a lot of shows, entertainment for children. It's just a nice family-oriented hotel. And there's a huge building, the main one, plus small houses like the ones that you see right there, where you can also stay. Cozy, comfortable, not too expensive either. And it's located close to all the facilities with a straight road towards the Levante Beach and the Mediterranean Avenue. There are some more other hotels here nearby, such as the Hotel Venus, which is this one on the left side. It's from the same hotels group, survey group, and they've changed the exterior part too to kind of mimic to the brand new essence that they have and make it similar to other hotels that they have in the area, because they all share more or less the same design. Slowly but surely, these hotels will start filling up with tourists. Some of them are closed right now for outside of the summer season, but by spring they will be opening up slowly but surely. Ibiza Street, which is where we're right now, has quite a few different accommodation options. Some bars, cafeterias, popular ones by the way, supermarkets, pharmacies that are open the vast majority of the days, even on weekend or festivities, which a lot of the times it's very important when you're here on holidays. Spain in general is very different from what other countries might be in terms of opening hours. As you all know, these types of supermarkets, as you can see here on the left side, these ones are Pakistani supermarkets, mostly Chinese ones, and these are open every single day, even on Sundays. But regular supermarkets, for example, shut down on Sundays and bank holidays. This is one of the things that people do not know about. And pharmacies as well do not work on Sundays either, unless it's an emergency pharmacy or a specific one that works 365 days a year. We are right next to the strip right now. Day-night bar, you can see all the prices right now. As you can see, hardly changed anything. 2025, same prices. Cocktails 5.50, buckets for 7.50, 10 euros. Not bad at all. Breakfast 4.20, 5.20. Drink not included. Okay. Pint, vodka Red Bull, and some more offers. Everything is full with offers out here. Special offers to San Miguel's 3.50, Heineken pints some plates of food too. As you can see, the prices are exactly the same as they still were. So far at least, 2025 didn't bring any increase in prices in the restaurants and bars right here on the Ibiza street at least. We have a Consum supermarket here. This is a typical Spanish supermarket where locals go grocery shopping on a daily basis. The prices here are more oriented for locals. And if you need something during your holidays, that's the recommended place to go. If you purchase a bottle of water, small one, it might cost you less than €1. But if you go into the 24-hour supermarket, it might cost you a couple of euros. So there's quite a big difference. Some more businesses here, salons. Oh, this place, bubble tea. I wonder if it's the same. It's different already. Before there was like a cafeteria here, like a cake coffee shop, and now it's bubble tea place. I wonder if it's the same owner. The tobacconist, money exchange, Asian bazaars, optics, pharmacies, pizza place for a takeaway. One of a favorite spot for a lot of people who are heading for nightclubs, especially in summer season. They do have some nice pizza offers here. Flowers, old style Chinese restaurants that have not changed for probably more than a decade. And many more businesses. There's also apartments, touristic apartments, apart hotels, and other accommodation options, touristic ones here in the area. And now, by the way, on the Ibiza street, there was supposed to be a lot of building works done, and they are done, but just on a different side right in front of us, slightly further on. That is where the vast majority of the building works are done. Thus, all this area is living its normal life. Let's head down towards the Levante Beach, because even this area is quite quiet. We can see the vast majority of people heading towards that area. So obviously weekends are really busy, but how busy they actually are, we are about to find out. All the areas that are outside of popular ones, such as the Girona Street, such as Mediterranean Avenue or the Levante Beach, Rincon de Loix main avenues, will be slightly quieter. This is probably the reason why right here, for example, on the Lepanto Street, which is parallel to the British Street, it is way quieter. Even hotels such as this one, Hotel Pearl, it is closed right now. It will be opening up by summer holidays. This is a budget hotel, I would say, right next to the orange one. And still, it's a great place to stay because it's next to all the important events, next to the evening entertainment. The British Street is right nearby. And obviously, it's a straight road towards the Levante Beach. So what can be better than that? Having a nice hotel with all the basic services that you need, with a swimming pool, and staying close to what really matters during the holidays here, which is the beach, the sea, the entertainment, and nice restaurants and bars. Here we have the Hotel Marina. This is what it looks like, the main entrance, by the way. Look at this. They've changed it, but they've added something sparkly to it. This hotel was an ideal place to stay for couples, for solo travelers. Some time ago in the past, it was also nice to stay with children, but afterwards somehow they've started to go to a different angle, which is foam parties in the summer. There's just so many couples and friend groups that are arriving here, stag parties, etc., that obviously this place is not suitable for a quiet holiday any longer, especially in summer months. In winter, still might be the case, but in summer, it's definitely not. And situated right here on the Girona Street, well, Obviously, you need to take advantage where you are located. Not suitable for children, definitely, definitely. Some more places here like Tiki, here on the left side, closed for the better times to come, for when the summer season arrives back again. The other place, Gurini's Karaoke and Sports Bar. Those of you who were searching for a karaoke place, this is one of them, as you can see. Some breakfast options, burgers, menus, salads, specials, even Sunday roast. Ooh, that's fun. That should be nice. Some more supermarkets, obviously, all of these oriented to tourists, with typical summer clothes, even though it's winter season now, sun hats, sunscreen, even though people don't buy it right now because it doesn't make any sense in winter. But hey, these products are there throughout the whole entire year. The closer we get towards the Levante Beach, the more people we actually see, slightly more sunshine, even here on the Mediterranean Avenue. We are lucky to have such a good weather out here, whilst other parts of Spain are struggling with very strong wind, with rain. But here, it's lovely, nice, and warm on the sunshine. Some businesses here, barber shops. This is quite a newer business, I would call it. Joselito, it's called. It's a barber shop for men, children. They do hair braids as well. The 24-hour point for snacks and drinks. More shops with souvenirs, different types of clothing, accessories, etc. And some more places like supermarkets and beach shops. These are the main businesses you will see here in the area. If before we've seen many supermarkets, now we can see barber shops, we can see 24-hour supermarkets, snack places, and souvenir shops also have started to grow and appear in different parts of Benidorm town. And look at the beach. Isn't it lovely? Having this in January is absolutely incredible. People are sitting down on the terraces. Look at this, even doggies. Look at these. Doggies are just laying down, watching the sea, watching the birds fly, people passing by, just having some nice time. The benches, if you can call them like this, the sitting areas are also full. People are even sitting at the promenade, enjoying a lovely walk. Someone is doing sports, others are just enjoying a lovely walk slowly by the beach with the sunshine and nice fresh air. And look at how strange the beach looks like today. This is like very unusual way of seeing it. This is actually how they've cleaned. So you know that the beach is being cleaned regularly, right? So this is done with the machinery. One part is done with machines, and where machines cannot go, people are doing it. So this is how machines cleaned the beach and prepared the sand. And this is how it looks like. Very strange, but still interesting at the same time. Look at the terraces. Oh, and look at the touristic apartments out there. Touristic apartments are also full, I suppose, because there's people on almost every single terrace, sitting down on the sunshine, enjoying the loveliest views and the sound of the Mediterranean Sea. This is a glory in January. Obviously, there is some slight wind every now and then, but still, it is an incredible time, and we better enjoy it because there might be some clouds and the temperatures will be slightly lower towards the midweek, probably next week, starting from Tuesday, Wednesday. So we really would like to have all the sunshine that we can. Obviously, we're used to it. Our region has sunny days more than 320 days a year, probably. So even if you have one single day of clouds or rain, it doesn't feel the same. We'll want back our sunshine. Many people are heading to the beach right now, even though it's not suitable for swimming because it's quite cold, but still just have a lovely walk, sit down on the sunshine, get some vitamin D. This is just ideal. Others are heading towards the natural parks, towards the cross of Benidorm, different watchtowers, having a walk with gorgeous, stunning, incredible views of the Mediterranean Sea. And if you're a fan of these types of walks, coming here on holidays in January, February, March, even up until summer months, outside the warmest months of the year, the hottest months of the year, it is ideal for exploring. And the good thing is that this region, not only Benidorm but surrounding areas, have so many places you can explore, and this weather is ideal for doing so, which is why you can see so many people on the streets of our favorite town of all in Costa Blanca, Benidorm. Thank you for accompanying us in today's short walk down the quieter parts of Benidorm, such as the Ibiza street, and not so quiet, very busy Levante Beach on a Saturday. Thank you all for watching and accompanying us today on today's short walk, and we'll see you in a new video here on the channel. Bye, teas!